Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 23, so if you are just joining us, be sure to check out the description below where you will find links to the topics covered on days 1 through 22 of this series. Today, we're going to talk about the FAFSA submission summary. The FAFSA submission summary is what we used to call the student aid report, and it will include the SAI that has been calculated based on the information provided, a summary, again, of the information that was submitted from the child as well as the parents. You will have the opportunity to read over this summary and make any corrections needed and provide any additional information that is needed. So it's really important that the family takes a very close and careful look at the submission summary because the information that you submitted will be used to calculate the SAI, and the SAI is what the colleges are going to receive to calculate your need. So please take a moment, go through your submission summary with a fine-tooth comb and fresh eyes to make sure that you've entered all of the information accurately and as you want represented and truthfully so that your SAI can be calculated properly. So that concludes our topic for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, invite others to join us for this series, Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.